The Application Builder allows you to develop both internal and public web-based applications on top of your Baserow database or other data sources. In this chapter, you will learn how to create a new application, navigate through the user interface, add and remove elements, add and link pages, and configure the application settings. Applications belong to a workspace, just like databases. To create a new application, click the Create New button and select Application. Offer your application a name and click the Add Application button. You see an overview of the application's pages on the left side in the same way that tables are shown in a database. At the top of the Application Builder, you find the buttons Elements, Data and Page Settings. Clicking the Elements button shows an overview of all currently added elements on the page. To add an element, simply click the plus button located at the bottom of the list. The Application Builder offers a variety of elements that you can use. Select the desired element to be added, for example, an image. Each element is automatically added at the bottom of the page. You can rearrange the order with the arrow buttons after selecting an element. Notice that each element has its own configuration settings shown in the right side after selecting the element. For example, the image element allows to either upload an image or set a URL. A text element, on the other hand, has content, can be horizontally aligned and supports markdown tags. You have the flexibility to apply additional styling on each element by using the options in the Style tab. For example, you can modify the background color to one of the predefined colors or select any color of your choice. Or you can adjust the padding to an element to enhance spacing or add borders to refine visual presentation. In the center of the top bar, you'll discover 3 icons to demonstrate how the page appears on a desktop, a tablet or smartphone. This allows responsive design testing. Additionally, the Preview button located on the right side facilitates testing the functionality of your application by executing it in a new tab. Each new application comes with 2 default pages, Homepage and Examples. Additional pages can be added by clicking the Create Page button. When creating a new page, you need to provide a unique name and a path. The name can contain any character, while the path, which will appear in the URL when accessing the page, must be unique and without any spaces or special characters. Optionally, parameters can be added in the URL by appending a colon. Those parameters are useful when the page contains dynamic data. Pages can be linked to each other through a link element. Simply select the desired page to navigate to in the configuration panel. Alternatively, you can input a custom URL. This is useful for linking to external pages. To access the application settings, click the 3 dots beside the application and select Settings. Here you can link your application to a domain, making it publicly available, or on the intranet of your organization. Enter a domain name and click Create. To make your application accessible to the end users, click the Publish button located in the upper right corner. Ensure that you only publish your application once all features are fully implemented. Testing the application can be done with the Preview option. Additionally, you can configure the application's theme through the settings. For instance, you can customize the predefined primary and secondary colors or adjust header sizes. This updates directly on all elements across your application. The Application Builder in Baserow empowers you to develop a dynamic web-based frontend. Within each application, you can navigate through linked pages, each containing multiple elements with customizable properties. The Settings panel offers customization options for styling the application and facilitates publishing.